Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I will be doing another episode of Study with a Dummy. That's me, the dummy. Anyway, today I feel like I should study for the SAT because it's coming in 2 weeks. Just a little background, I did take the SAT before. I took it in December 2018. Also, another disclaimer, the SAT is just another standardized test. It does not make up who you are, so do not stress about it. I think stressing about it will make it harder for yourself and more difficult for yourself to focus on it and do well. But anyway, let's get started with this video. Just so y'all know, I'm taking a paper version of the test because I always take the SAT practice tests on my computer and I just wanted to change it for a while. Also, there's this thing called Princeton Review, which is like a school. They have free events where you could take the SAT, not for real, but like a practice test, so you get to practice it for free. You don't have to pay for it or anything. You could just go to their website. This is non-sponsored, obviously, but yeah, just throwing it out there if you guys want to. Usually the practice tests are harder than the actual tests based on what I've experienced, so yeah. Finished one. I'm on the last question, folks. I'm done. Honestly, I do not know if I did well, but this wraps up the video. Thank you guys so much for studying with me. I hope people who watch this will be somewhat helped, or like, I guess, feel less lonely that they're studying. Not studying sucks, quite honestly, and I think that it just happens that way. So all we gotta do is just keep doing it, and I hate studying, but I keep doing it anyway. So if you guys want any SAT tips, I could give that too in my next video if you guys want it. So if you guys want to see that, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope we all keep growing. Bye. Time freeze, smile, or let us light up the night.